In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a passenger side engine mount with bracket on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located under the hood. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood, and on the passenger side of the engine bay, locate our coolant reservoir right next to the motor mount. We're going to lift this up off the two mounting tabs. So grab it on both sides and just lift up. Maneuver it out and set it on the engine. We're now going to make our way under the vehicle and support our engine with a jack and a piece of wood. Quick note, if you have a splash shield, now is the time to remove it. As you can see, ours is missing. So we're going to take our jack, once you locate the engine, support it just until it's touching. With our reservoir removed, we now have access to our motor mount. We're going to start up by removing the 3 engine side nuts. These are all 18 millimeters. Break them free. Once they're fully broken free, now we can remove them. I'll be spraying some penetrating fluid on our fasteners to make removal smoother. If it comes out with a complete stud, take it to a vise and finish removing it there. I've placed my stud in the vise. Quick note, do not grip it by the threaded parts as you could cause damage. Finish removing the fastener. Now we can take it back to the vehicle. We're going to hand thread on our stud. We'll be torquing this fastener down using an E10 socket to 25 foot-pounds. Now repeat this for the last fastener. The engine might shift a little bit, that's completely normal. If the whole stud does not come out, just remove the nut. We're going to move on to our two 15 millimeter body side bolts. Break these free. And remove the bolt. Do the same for our front bolt. Now lift the motor mount up and out of the vehicle. Now we can set it aside. Let's install our motor mount. I'm going to feed it into the vehicle and put it in place. Align the studs on the engine and slide it through. We're going to hand thread on and tighten our body side fasteners first. Make sure the mount is centered. Now we can snug these down. We are going to torque these down to 35 foot-pounds. We're going to raise our engine until it meets the mount. So get your jack and raise it up. Now we can hammer it on our fasteners. Now snug these down. We're going to torque all three of these down to 66 foot-pounds. We're going to move back under the vehicle to slowly lower and remove our jack. If your splash shield is present, now's the time to reinstall it. We're going to move on to reinstalling our coolant reservoir. Just line up the tabs and push down. Ensure it goes under the hood support, and once everything's aligned, push down. And that completes our install. Take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.